Okay, so here we go. Here's the first step. Right now, this is what the space looks like. Such a random space. First thing I'm going to do is clean this whole area out, vacuum clean everything, make it clean, fresh, even spray something maybe, and that's my first step. So let's jump into it. Bow. Okay, clean, nice area. So this is what we're working with. So I got this from Amazon and it kind of looks very cheap in person. Let's see what it, oh, this is our first time looking at it in the camera. Ta-da! Ooh. All right, so I'm back and I have a chair. I see that's not in the frame and that's okay. I feel like this will be better with two people, but I'm just here by myself. Okay, so I'm gonna sit on this chair. I'm gonna tack the background to the wall with these tacks.
So my strategy here was to just try to get a rough draft on to the wall. I knew it wasn't going to be perfect, but it was so much material that I knew I just had to just put it on the wall some type of way. As a PhD student, I've gotten very comfortable of creating quote unquote shitty drafts, and so this is a translation of that into this background transformation. So my first draft of this was very crooked, crinkly. It was not perfect whatsoever, but it gave me something to play with, and I continued to like adjust the tacks and adjust where the background was, and it was way easier than trying to make it perfect right off the bat. So this strategy seemed to work for me, so I hope you guys can find some type of benefit from that. And let me know if you're the type of person that will want to make it perfect the first time, or if you're comfortable with, you know, a little first draft here or there.
Dun 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 dun, I got some lights. Ooh, I got my lights, and these on the internet, people say they tangle easily and that the lights break easily. So I need to be very gentle, cautious, and I can see how this can get messy. Look at all this mess. I'm not trying to mess this up. The background is decent. You see it's bulging, but up close it looks cooler, right? Anyways, I'm gonna get back on my chair and try to hang these with thumbtack.
Okay, so these lights are super beautiful in theory to me, but they were definitely a little challenging to install because I unraveled them before installing them. So I don't know how it happened, but there were some knots in the lights already, and I only like unraveled one of the dangling lights. And it's kind of hard to visualize what they're going to look like the way that they're all combined in the box. And like I said on the internet, some people have said that these tangles has caused the lights to break. So I was very patient and very careful with undoing the knots. It actually didn't take me that much time whatsoever, probably less than 10 minutes. I was very mindful when I was doing it. I would suggest that you guys buy this, but I would say that you should be very aware that they are not as easy to hang as you might wish. Okay, so the last thing I want to do is put some decorations in the set so that it doesn't look soulless. And so I just try to look around my apartment to see if I could find anything that I could just attach to the wall. And luckily I found this A that I got from Marshalls for around $8. And I'm just going to tack this to the background as well. In the future, I end up moving the placement of the A, and you should see that in the newest uploads. I ended up adding a whiteboard to the background, which I choose to use depending on the type of content that I'm uploading. I think it does add a special flair to the video, but it kind of depends on the type of video. I do post some videos about organizational behavioral concepts, especially the fall. This fall, you'll probably see a lot of that material coming out. So I think in that case, having the objectives up on the whiteboard or the topic up on the whiteboard could be very useful. But for other videos, I probably will not have the whiteboard up. But how do you guys like this background? What do you guys think about it? Would you ever do a background like this? Do you think I should have just sat in front of a blank white wall? Should I have just done a more natural type of YouTube background? Let me know in the comments. Please like this video if you did, and subscribe for more, and subscribe to see if I end up using this background for a long time or end up destroying it, because I'm really not sure about it. I think I love it, but I just don't know. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.